You know, look where you are. It's a video for. This is not a working place, this is a house.
You know it's Giant G-Man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
Viewer subscriber, some police running hard pan Likkle Addi them and search up them place and like them gone with Likkle Addi, you see me? But me hope say I know nothing serious. Yo, it don't look good at all, viewer and subscriber. The video circulate around pan the media and you can go check it out, you see me? But me feel like say all of this happen because of what happened to Likkle Addi, where you must say 2 security rush down upon him wicked with some guns and shit, you see me? But personally, me feel like say I threat them where Likkle Addi send and the media. Me feel like say them they make them hold on upon him, you see me? Me feel like say that they want to look into. But Likkle Addi have to know where you are the big man. As a star in the streets, bro, you have to know where you are. Because look what them do to your father, big man. You see me, certain things you can't say on the media, certain things you cannot do. You can't make people see you do it. You can't make people hear you say it. Because what? The simplest something you say or do, the police them gonna look into it. The police them gonna hold on upon you. You don't know when them gonna forward for you, see me? So you have to know where you are the big man. In the streets you have to wise up and I know say your father's supposed to tell you all that. You see me? Certain things, bro, I know say it's a heated moment when you say that, but still you have to know what you say. And worse when you go on live, Instagram live, anybody can go on Instagram live a video and a record everything we say. So you have to know them things a big man. And I'm going to show you viewers and subscribers some of the comments where the people must say, because yo, a bag of things them are talking in the comments, you see me? So this person said, I can video you anywhere. Police need to stop telling people what and what they can't do. It is legal to video, especially for your safety. Next person said, they after her sons all the time, shame head. Next person said, why I thought these people was living abroad, staying in Jamaica is going to be hell. Yo, this person actually made a good point, because you see most artists were developed in Jamaica. You see once them get them visa, them fly out, because we out here is like the government just love to fight the young youths them. You see me? Them love to fight the young youths them. So you see, as them get a visa to fly out and live somewhere else, them not go hesitate, them not go itch. Them will just move on. Them not go turn them back on Jamaica, you know, because I just saw them home, you know. But them just go fly out and live somewhere else. Because the government down here is like them after the young talent, they after the young youths them. It's like say are the rich alone have to do it. You have to go to college for them for show your respect. You see me? And not every young youth able to go to college. And not every young youth want to go to college. Most of you them just want to turn an artist or do whatever. But also respect you, brother. You have to give youths them respect once you see them do something like turn an artist. And not because rumors in the streets say Vybz Kartel may do something doesn't mean say it define his child. You see me? You have to respect the youths them. But as me say, my hope say nothing them hold on upon the youth for, and me feel like say because he send some serious threats upon the media. You see me? So Likkle Addi have to know where the big man in the streets. The streets don't love nobody. As your father say, the streets don't love nobody. You have to know where the big man. You see me? So if you're a subscriber, you want to make me know what to think about this, because this is very serious. You see me? So if you reach this far in a review, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. I don't know your badness already.